So hey guys, this is my second tutorial on machine learning. In this tutorial, we are going to cover linear regression algorithm. So what is linear regression? Linear regression is a machine learning algorithm based on supervised learning. It performs a regression task. It is mostly used to finding out relation between variables. So here are some of the basic formulas that we use to calculate relation between the variables. In the first equation, y is equals to mx plus c. Y represents dependent variable, whereas m represents slope of the line, x represents independent variable, and c is the y-intercept of the line. Slope and y-intercept have been calculated by using these two formulas, and the accuracy of our algorithm has been checked using R-square method. So this is our data set. The link of this data set has been given in description. So those are our independent parameters, whereas chance of admit is our dependent parameter. We have to calculate the chance of admit on the basis of dependent parameters. For better understanding, for this example, we are considering CGPA as an independent variable and chance of admit as a dependent variable. So let's come back to the code. We had used PyCharm IDE to complete this example. So we need to import some of the libraries such as pandas, numpy, matplotlib. Pandas is used to read CSV files. Numpy is used to calculate mathematical operations. Matplotlib is used to plot the graph. So as you can see, the address I had given to read the CSV file is for my PC. This address varies from each PC, so you just need to change that address before compiling this code in your PC. So we had fetched the variable y with chance of admission, variable x with CGPA, and we had calculated mean of x and y using numpy. So to calculate slope, we declared two variables snum and sdenominator. Then we used for loop to calculate both of their values, and we just calculated slope by dividing snum by sdenominator. So we have slope, and then we calculated the constant y-intercept by using the formula written there. So as we have constant and slope, we can now predict the value of y. To predict the value of y, we just use for loop and append each value from it. So to calculate r square, we defined two variables rnum and rden. Then we used for loop to calculate both of their values. We had used r2 is equals to r2 underscore score y comma y predict. We can and then we used rnum by rdu, so the both of the values are expected to be get same, and then we just plot the graph between x and y with x labeled as CGPA and y labeled as chance of admission. Then we just plot the graph and just check the output. So here you can see r square and r2, both of them have same values. This is the graph we get. The red line you can see there is the line of regression, the line we want, and the blue dots are the scattered points. So we got our linear regression graph. So that's it for this video. Hope so you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.